Welcome to the world of MiruSuite. With this brand new software, your next production becomes effortless. Upgrade your existing PTZ cameras with next-generation auto tracking simply by connecting it to your laptop. You decide shot size and tracking behavior, and yes, you can run multiple cameras at once without breaking a sweat. But that's just the beginning. With AutoCut, MiruSuite doesn't just follow the speaker. It listens, it watches, and it understands. By combining person tracking with smart audio and video analysis, it automatically creates a seamless live cut of your presentation. You need to capture a town hall-style production, a podcast, or a lively panel discussion? With multi-speaker AutoCut, MiruSuite knows exactly who's talking and keeps every angle covered. No missed moments, no awkward cuts, just a production that feels natural, polished, and professional. And you know what? MiruSuite stays sharp even during the most challenging talks. For universities, there's a special treat: lecture mode. Imagine your lecture streams automatically switching between the professor, the blackboard, and the presentation slides, fully autonomous, absolutely reliable. No operator needed. Whatever your production looks like, from conferences to classrooms, MiruSuite is your AI-powered director in the background. Discover the future of live productions with MiruSuite. For more information, check out our website and the MiruSuite docs.